This is episode 2250 of the Daily Meditation Podcast. I'm Mary Meckley, and here you are, getting ready to do one of the best things you could possibly do for yourself as you sit down to meditate. You may be seated, or you may be going about your day listening to the podcast as you do your errands. It's all good. Many of you ask me if it's okay if you lay down when you meditate. And it is okay. But keep in mind that when you recline, you're more likely to fall asleep. It's best to sit up straight, keeping your spine straight, making sure your body is nice and comfortable, and then allow yourself to meditate. In this week's series, you are going to unleash your creativity. This is a series all about sharing your creativity, your unique ways to be creative. Maybe not necessarily with others, although that would be great, but you might simply do it for yourself. There has been so much happening in the world these days. Daring to express yourself in a creative way is a very nurturing way to manage stress and anxiety. It's an outlet. It's a way for you to express yourself in your own unique way. And how you express yourself encompasses what you're going through currently. So as we continue to live during a pandemic, you might take this week to explore different aspects of your creativity to help you manage what a difficult year it has been for most of us. You might do something that you're already good at. Maybe you play an instrument, or you sing, or you paint. But you might feel like you're not so creative, and that the best you can do is maybe go for a walk. I encourage you to try something completely new. You might sit outside with a notepad and a pencil, or some paints, or some markers, whatever you have near you, and sketch what you see outside. Maybe a bird, maybe trees. You might even sketch someone who is spending the day with you. In each episode, I'm going to share with you a different way to be creative. In today's episode, I encourage you to be creative simply by noticing what your soul needs. If you'd like to go a little more deeply into this week's series, you can find the full 30-minute guided meditation experiences on the Sip and Om meditation app. You can try it for 7 days absolutely free, so you can go through the entire series free. You receive a creativity journal this week, as well as a creativity slowdown guide with all the week's techniques organized nicely for you, with access at your fingertips. On the guide are the week's techniques, as well as an herbal tea that's customized for your creativity this week, and a yoga asana. This is a yoga pose that you could do. Here's a message from your fellow meditator. This is from Kim from Idaho in the United States. Kim says, during the pandemic, I find myself doing more puzzles, organizing my home, every little closet, and baking and cooking. I find these activities incredibly nurturing because for me they offer a rhythm to my life when everything around me in the world seems so chaotic. Thank you so much, Kim, for your message. And that is one reason why I decided to share this week's series with you, because creativity can help to calm you and give you a sense of security and be your anchor during these times of uncertainty. So as you settle yourself down with a straight spine, gently look upward with your eyes. This helps to keep your thoughts uplifted as you meditate. Relax your body and notice where you tend to hold tension today. Every day it's different, just like every day is a unique day. Name the emotion you're feeling right now. Now notice if your emotion has to do with some creativity you may be concealing within you that you'd love to share, that you'd love to express this part of yourself. I invite you to ask yourself if there's a part of yourself that you're holding back from expressing. What would that be? And how would you like to express this part of yourself? Consider how you would like to express your creativity this week. What will you do? Something new? Or something you've always wanted to try? Continue to sit in stillness, and at some point, break away from your thoughts and allow yourself simply to be. You are so worth slowing down for.